Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. Today I'm going to change the spark plug. That's going to give me better performance and it will give me a smoother idling and best of all, give me a satisfaction. My HUMMER runs smoother, I feel good. So I'm going to change it. And how do I change it? That I'm going to share with you. Without wasting any time, let's get started. New spark plug. These are the tools I'm going to use. Spark plug puller. If you don't have it, then this will work. To open a spark plug, you never pull on the cord because once you're going to pull it, it's going to break. You can use a plier, you can pull the metal body, or you can wiggle around. Since we don't have much room, we cannot pull it out. Long needle nose plier, put it up here, don't press it too hard. Try to pull it out. You heard the snap. That's how you're going to pull it out. I did not press it too hard. If you press it too hard, then it will get crushed. The same way I'm going to do it, I'm going to pull it out and it's going to come out like that. So we're going to insert, which is 5/8 socket, and with the ratchet, crank it open. This is just a patient job, and now we can take that ratchet out, and with the hand, we can pull it out. So as you can see, the spark plug come out. So I'm going to remove the other two the same way. This is the first cable. This is the second cable. Try to keep it in order, number 3 and number 4. Once we're going to take out all the spark plug, then we're going to put the new one and we're going to place back the same. But before doing that, just to do the house cleaning, get a brush, clean the contact. That's really important on both sides. And then blow air. This is the number 4 spark plug. This is really tricky. This is the hardest one. Here you go. So that one is really hard. The other 3 are easier. This is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are the spark plugs. So I have taken out all the spark plugs. These are 8 of these old ones. Get the new ones. So these are the new ones. These are the spark plug socket. What basically I wanted to show to you that these going to work, not to use this one and use the right socket. The difference between this versus this is a rubber boot inside. The rubber boot keeps the spark plug right in the center. When we're going to insert it in, it's going to stay centered. Then we're going to turn it and then the threads will go nicely. First we're going to do the hand tight, then we're going to use our ratchet. Once we insert it in, so keep tightening with the hand. So it's a nicely tightened. We're going to use a ratchet and now we're going to tighten. And that is perfect. And now we're going to pull it out. So we are on to the next one. First one, now we're going to go the second one. Once you put it in, then hand tight. Hand tight all the way until it stops. And we're going to tighten it. We're going to hand tight. That's good enough. And now we're going to pull it out. This is the 1 done, 2 done. I'm going to finish these 2. And the same way I'm going to finish on the other side. This is the first spark plug on this side. It's a good idea to take the connector off. And then you have more room to work with. Now I'm going to make sure that it's tight. Now we're going to plug in the spark plug wire. So once we're going to insert it, we're going to make sure it make noise. Just like that. And now we're going to put this one into our coil. I'm changing the coil also. Please watch that video. Put the wire, you press it. Once you heard the click, that means it's fully nicely snapped in to spark plug. I'm going to finish up the rest the same way. So this is the last one. That's good enough. These are the spark plug wires. We're going to plug it in and we're going to press it all the way up. Same thing we're going to do the rest of these. And the last one. That's it. So we're going to put the connector. That's it. Clamp back on. And the big one. That's it. Looking all nice. Now we're going to start the HUMMER and see how our work has been done. I'll ask my son. Fire it up, baby. Perfect. Nice and smooth. Looking good. Job well done. That's all. It's easy to change spark plug on your HUMMER H2. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you and have a good day.